back to my channel. What's up? So I am going to be doing a get ready with me. Honestly, like, I'm about to head out in a few. I just didn't feel like going in my filming room today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready right now. As you can see, I'm rocking some passion twists. I'm not a big fan of braids. I don't know if you guys picked that up, but I don't really. I did box braids like probably twice in my entire life, but I do love when my braids look really like Rasta-esque. Even though these are twists, there's something about them that's not too uniform that I love, and that's why I'll do it from time to time, not regularly. But I did some pattern twists, and today I have it like brown, like platinum and brown. That's vibes. I actually got this done this morning. My mom did it. I'll insert some clips of when she was doing it. It wasn't anything that I filmed actually, but yeah. And then I also did my nails. Show you guys that I did my nails. So I'm not gonna be doing the most with my makeup today at all. It's just something pretty like simple. So I don't even remember, the camera stopped and I don't remember where I left off, but as you can see, I'm starting off with my brows. I didn't feel like going into my filming room today, and I just wanted this to be a quick little chit chat, get ready with me, a 3-in-1. You know, I'll show you a bit of the hair, my makeup, and my outfit. So I haven't done this in like a long time, so I thought it would be fun, it would be cool, and it's not the like old filming room formal setup. Let me know if you guys like this. Let me know down below in the comments. I'm even using a different camera. I did a vlog and I did like a chit chat video some time ago saying that I cancelled my like vacations for this year, because you know we had vacations planned for this year and stuff. Like, you know, we haven't done anything in a while and stuff. And this weekend we just decided that we just wanted to get away for a little bit, being that, you know, certain restrictions are being lifted and stuff, and of course with you being cautious, like, you need to be cautious. It's very, very necessary. It's not like, oh, country open up back and everything all good again. By the way, if you hear noises in my background, time out, so you don't know that, go already. So that's what that is. So I'm just filling in my brows. Like, I haven't spoken through filling in my brows though. Let me done up my brows and then we'll come back, because I don't know who do I think I am, like, talking while doing my brows. Like, I have to focus. But I mean, filling it is not a big deal while speaking. Anyway. So we decided to just take a little break away from home. You know, these past couple months have been rough for the entire world. So yeah, and you know, it's just like a nice little breather, being the fact that we initially planned, you know, a legitimate vacation or whatever. So this is like a mini vacation still, you know. I'm just going out of town just for a couple days, just for the weekend, and we just want to have some fun, you know. That's basically it. So I want to be, yeah, I need to definitely prime. This is my Revlon 430 and I need to get a brand new one, but always I forget to buy when I go to the store. But and I'm going to actually use a little bit of foundation, you know, despite the heat. So I'm using Beauty Bakery. This one is 315W. So I don't use a lot, you know. and this is a foundation that gives a very flawless like finish. So yeah, but like for the hair portion now guys, I know probably have question like, so where you get the hair, where you get the hair? So let me tell you. So the brown ones I got from Passion with the braid shop JA. So shout out to the braid shop JA. I have this from last year, I have them 1 year from last year. I'm gonna tell myself, so one day me did I go do this style. Like I don't know, it's giving me Beyonce vibes. You know when she came in Fighting Temptations or one gospel movie with Cuba Gooding or Gooding Cuba. I believe Cuba Gooding in name. Yeah, that man there. And she had those braids. I don't know, it reminds me of that. But that wasn't necessarily what I was going for. But once I did it, I was like, oh, it looks like that, you know. But I like the vibe, I like the little platinum vibe in there. So I got the platinum one at like a wholesale here in Jamaica, like in Alpha Tree. I don't even know what the wholesale name, but it's somewhere around a Clock Tower Plaza. So yeah, there's little information. No, was it? Yeah, around this time. So I had like, oh, and it all, yeah, this has weight to it. It all, I used 9-pack of Passion Twist, 9 packs, and 1 pack was like $1,900. Yeah, 1,900 Jamaican dollars, of course. Don't be alarmed to my overseas viewers, just Jamaican dollars, JMD, not USD. Okay, or any other currency. Alright, so see a tad bit of that, and you guys know I love to use that primer because it really helps with, you know, creasing and stuff. So I'm going to be using my Il Makiage foundation, my Il Makiage concealer. If I'm flawless in number 3 actually. Number 3 to brighten up under the eyes, guys. Listen, I did both my nails and my hair this morning. Now when I said this morning, I mean 6, 7, 8 o'clock. I mean like my hair started at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I started doing my nails at like 2. Yeah. No joke thing. Yesterday was a very busy day for me because I mean like I went to a car wash and stuff. But like guys, if you want to keep track of like how this weekend goes and stuff, remember this is my main channel. So I want you guys to head on over to my vlog channel. I'm trying to get to 100k over there. Head on to my vlog channel and see like my vlogs that I'll put up over there. See how flawless it is? It's so flawless and not a lot of product. Like it woke me up. So yeah guys, like I really need some sleep. A while ago I feel like I was sitting in the couch and I fell asleep. I feel like probably for 20 minutes or half hour, I don't know, but it felt good. The most recent chit chat makeup video that I did, you know, I really appreciate all the feedback that you guys gave and such. You know, I love constructive criticism. Well, I know, you know, and I know, so I love more of the like talky videos. Like I'm not gonna say that because my hair videos are talkative videos, but like my no wants to like more makeup and challenges and stuff. Sometimes I say I gotta do something and then I say, sure, but I know if I'm not gonna watch it, so I better do it. You know, just one of them things, eh? So yeah, you know that I never do a nail video for this, you know, cause I was pressed for time and I never did even like plan to do it anyways, you know. Like that's the next thing. Like if you guys, I had said it before, if there's a specific like nail design you want me to attempt. Remember, me a beginner, you know. What am I gonna say? I don't feel like I'm a beginner no more because I've been doing this since like almost like the beginning of quarantine, right? And place are open up back now and we'll pass half of the year and quarantine starting in March. and I've been helping myself out a lot. So yeah, you have to balance this light like bright for my face, you know, guys. So I'm so happy that I did these braids, especially because I want, like, I don't want to have to be worrying about no lace lifting and all of them something there. I mean, a person me technical about my wig bag. If it not look good, me not go feel good. Like once the lace start lifting, it done for me. Honestly, everything mash up. The whole mood. Me nobody want to go no way. Me no want to do nothing. But yeah. So for all the people that are currently in Jamaica, let me know what you guys are doing this holiday. Like holiday meaning Independence and Emancipation Day. That's this weekend. You guys are getting this video definitely before Independence Day. Yeah, for all my overseas viewers, Jamaican independence is coming up and stuff. I don't even remember if I said, but I recently got my lashes like done. I got a fresh set and stuff. I also see where some of you guys say you want me to do, like, I'm kind of like just talking and going with the flow, like whatever come over my mind talk, you know. So like I see where somebody say they want me to do like a hygiene video. So I realized that that's kind of like a thing. Let me know if you guys really interested in that. Let me know. I mean, hygiene, you definitely need to take your hygiene serious. Sometimes I go to them and I have to say, Jaja, wagwan. But you know me about the other. I know that you guys want to see like dramatic makeup looks and stuff, but you see when I do them look that sometimes, like my outfit in the mood. If I'm not in the mood, it just, I don't know, it just come up blah. And I've done makeup looks before and I feel like it now like up to standard for what I look for, so I never upload it. So I feel in the mood, not try find too much excuse, you know, so, but just so I couldn't know what I'm going, because I realized that, wow, I was like, I never did things done really, but I bother with the makeup again like that. Feel like that time they passed. Love them braid here. You know what, guys? Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. So no, let me know what you guys think about it down below. Like there's a part of me where like to feel like, you know, like a nice little rasta girl more time. Like what is it? I don't like this every still, but more little because like 1 week make a habit in for I don't know, you know that every to the point where your head broke off. Just don't get it wet. Yeah, don't get it wet. But you can manage because people last time I did it, people were asking me, which was last summer, were asking me how much pack you use. And then one, it's kind of pricey because if one pack of 1900, I'm using like 10, and I was going to use more, but it turned out to be just okay because it happened that the platinum one had more than the usual packs because it was 2 different brands that I ended up getting. Actually, this one was like, it came as a crochet here and made it like we had to pull it out in order for it to work, because I don't like crochet. Me not like crochet. Me not wear crochet. It's just not my thing. I mean, people do it and it looks really, really good, but it's not my thing. I don't like it. I'm not fond of it. So yeah, so I'm going to set my face now. Wait, forget to do over with crease on my eye. I'm gonna tell you, so I just want like a simple settings. You know them when I mean, I drive like my no make a tire like. Today I'm not gonna do much. Tomorrow we'll have little activities planned, so I'm gonna see how that goes. But if you want to see where we go, like where we're going right now, then go ahead and watch my vlog channel. Period. Go ahead and watch my vlog channel. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm not going to add any more lashes to this. I brought some extra just if I want to amp it up, but I'm good with this because sometimes I don't want to put on the makeup, little lashes, you know, kind of screws up the thing. So That's why I like to get the fusion here and there, not all the time, but here and there. So I'm gonna screw my face. And not even like my thing these days, whenever I put on my makeup, I don't even like line my eyes like that anymore. Only here and there. Like one time it used to be my go-to, where my eyes, like my lash line, my waterline would have to be lined. I don't know, I just really love, as the years go by, my makeup just kind of get more minimalistic. Let me know if that's something that like happens with you guys. But that's something that's definitely happened with me. Like, I'm not like in a baga more time. There, not get me wrong though, sometimes like I'll be like, yo, I want to go all out today, and other times I'm like, most of the times I'm like, nah, it's too much. So that's why more time it's even convenient for me to get the fusion lashes, because like they're like, you know, if you take the extra time to apply lashes or whatever. What I'm going to do is just, I'm not applying any mascara, you know, to help with the longevity of the lashes. It's kind of comb them out. And I don't know if you guys can notice, this is exactly how I told her I wanted them to make the inner, like the middle portion longer than the rest, like that doll effect, kind of spiky. Oh my god, it actually looks good. It's the first time I'm combing it out, you know, since I put on my, I'm gonna put on my gloss. And okay guys, that's pretty much it for my little simple get ready with me, you know, weekend getaway, can I call it that. I have on this dress. I'm giving you guys a full view right now. This is currently when I'm already on the road, by the way. I just kind of splashed in. Yeah, so my dress is from Fashion Nova. My watch is from Yard Wooden Watches. And my hair, I already give you guys the details on that. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this will get ready with me. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate this. I know it's a different because the team kind of informal, but I mean, I kind of enjoy doing it like this. I don't know if you liked it, let me know. As I said, sorry for the little background noise, a little time not bad. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Don't forget to drop your video suggestions, challenges, all that good stuff. Yes, please drop the challenges, please and thanks. Okay, all right, so that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.